That yawn you just did, it has nothing to do with being tired and everything to do with your brain. For decades, scientists thought yawning was your body trying to get more oxygen. That theory is now widely debunked. Yawning is actually a thermal regulator, like a built-in radiator for your head. The powerful jaw stretch forces warm blood out of your brain, and the cool air coming in rapidly cools down the temperature of your head. The shocking truth? You yawn because your brain needs a quick cool down, not because you need air. If you're stressed or overheated, your brain demands a yawn. So next time someone yawns, they're not bored, they're just overheating. Are you hot right now? Comment below. Follow Reminder Facts.